Okay, this will be the last video for the filtration section, and here we're gonna discuss the filter var array. So just like the last time we discussed the filter input array, which is right here, it is exactly the same with the filter var array. So basically what it does, it do the same thing. It take the array. I will just gonna bring this back. I'm just gonna remove this as well. Now let's say you have a filter and you have to just provide the array and then the filter. So here we can call it data and simply go over here, create data, which would be an array again, and inside that array we have to provide these. So key would be number, then arrow, and then the name, and then the value of the data that we are storing. Same thing we will gonna do with all email URL. Save it, come back here, refresh, and if we submit number as ABC123, which will be an invalid, email would be this, which will be invalid, and the URL without the query string. So all in all, it will gonna return false. And again, I have to make it readable form so you can properly read it. ABC123, and this time email, let's give it the proper email, as well as query string of A is equals to yes or test. I submit it, and as you can see, email, it is returning email because it is the proper one. Unlike last time it was giving a false. Number, it is giving a false because we were using ABC, which is not the number, and URL, of course it is true because it is the right URL. Don't worry about that. It is only checking for the query strings. So that's about the array. You can again just use the filter var array to filter it through the array of the variables that you have here. And the only difference again with the filter var array and filter input array is that filter input array take directly the data from post, get, or session cookie. On the other hand, the filter var, you have to provide the data here. So even though filter var array and filter input array would do the same, but again, in the previous example, I explained you why developers of PHP added the filter input and filter var separately. And if you are curious to know, you can go back and watch that video. Take care for now. Bye bye.